Okay, so I just got off work and I am heading to FedEx to pick up my engagement ring that has just come in. Heart's beating pretty fast, so this is going to be really cool. So yeah, on the way to pick it up, and here we go. Okay, so I just pulled up at the FedEx, and just to make sure things weren't suspicious, and it just happened to turn out this way, my interface so I got to take that in to get boxed up, which was perfect timing for today. Okay, so I normally do unboxing videos for music gear, but I'm way too excited to let this wait. So I'm gonna open it in the car. This is like, okay, first reaction. I want to like be in the middle for this. I'm like nervous. Maybe I should open it sideways. Okay. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna take it out. So it has like a hidden halo on the bottom, if you can see that. And then the stone on the top. I should probably flip the camera around, but anyway. Now, I need to sneak home. But, ta-da! Super excited. Not.
Because you have a tendency to not?
What does that have to do with anything?
A lot of stuff.
So Cherie came over and I hid it in the car. So now I'm gonna get it out.